The experience at the ATM channel is often inconsistent, and management of a diverse ATM fleet can be challenging. Luckily, with versatile BlueVerse multi-vendor terminal software, banks can officially operate self-service devices from multiple vendors. This single application is also able to efficiently operate a wide variety of devices such as cash dispensers, cash recyclers, kiosks, and assisted self-service terminals. BlueVerse drives consistent customer experiences across the entire self-service and ATM network. With a rich and intuitive graphical user interface, it provides a unified customer experience throughout the ATM fleet and enriches the customer experience with personalized messaging and marketing. Even outside banking hours, BlueVerse easily extends multi-vendor ATM capabilities to include core connection and remote video-assisted transactions. And these exceptional consumer experiences can only be achieved when ATM operators are equipped with the right tools. From development to testing and deployment, managing and maintaining a multi-vendor fleet has never been easier. BlueVerse software elevates the self-service channel for a superior consumer experience.